In this video, I'm going to show you how to view who has liked your TikTok videos. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your TikTok app, and now in order to see who liked your videos, you need to open up your inbox, and there at the top hit on all activity and next hit on likes. So now there on that page you see all likes sorted in chronological order. There are all likes on your videos. You can look at them, you can swipe up and see all the likes. And here, if you want to see like for the specific video, you can find that video here, like for example that video, and you can hit on video icon, not here, not on icon, but there on the text field. And there you see the icon of that video and all the likes, all the people who has liked that video. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.